All right, guys, so I have the OnePlus 8. This is the T-Mobile version. So I just got this about 20 minutes ago from T-Mobile, and I wanted to come straight to the office and do a very quick unboxing of what you get with the T-Mobile version. So if it differs or if it's the same as if you bought it from OnePlus itself. So this bad boy was $699 from T-Mobile. I know it's the same price with the OnePlus version as well if you buy it from them. But like I said, I wanted to do a very quick unboxing of this and show y'all what y'all get in the box. So with the box itself, it is this nice Ferrari red, kind of like a matte kind of finish to it. I've always loved their new boxes with this like long, very slim profile, like very narrow aspect box or whatever. Kind of gives you the feel of how that nice, tall, skinny aspect of the phone is. But you got the black 8 there, and then on the side, it just says OnePlus, and then on the other side, OnePlus 8 5G. So they definitely want you to remember that it is 5G capable. And it does have the T-Mobile sticker. So like I said, it is a T-Mobile version, but it's just reminding you that if you do return it, there is a restocking fee. So with T-Mobile, you have 14 days to return it from the date of purchase. And then they apply a $50 restocking fee if you do return it. And then as far as the back goes, just kind of a, rundown of what's in the box. So like I said, it is the T-Mobile version. And inside the box, there are, at least on the box here, it's 5G and are capable, so it's just 5G capable. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, so the latest and greatest, newest Qualcomm chip. The Snapdragon X55 5G modem, so you're getting that 5G there. So once again, just kind of reminding you, 6.55-inch full HD plus AMOLED display. So if you've ever messed with the OnePlus 7T, a very similar display. And then it's got a triple camera setup. So just like all the previous, like with the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7T, it does have a triple camera setup. The only difference is that instead of a telephoto lens, you're now getting a 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens instead of a telephoto lens. So obviously OnePlus feels pretty strong in their kind of digital zoom versus having a dedicated lens to zoom, and then obviously zooming in further with the digital zoom, but whatever. 4,300 milliamp battery. They remind you that it's non-removable, but nice size battery. Warp charger 30T, so you're getting the new charger, which was with the 7T, but a little bit better than the old Warp Charger 30. It's 128 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM, and obviously the UFS 3.0, so super fast like data transferring and things like that. And just like with the OnePlus 7T, it is the LPDDR4X, excuse me. And then of course it just reminds you that it's the Oxygen OS base version of the Android 10. So I love Oxygen OS skin versus the one that comes on the Pixel. There's something to say about just the generic kind of like stock feel of the Pixel 4, but with the extra little customizations that I feel like I can do and not being stuck with a Google search bar on my home screen unless I want to root it. I love the little extra customizations I can do on this. So either way, so with that being said, let me just use my fancy thumbtack here, and I'm gonna, literally this is the first time I'm looking at it, so I am very excited for this. So make sure that's there and that's there. So there is the opening of it. So you got your kind of just the paperwork and basic stuff inside of it here. So let's just take it out and see what you get. So obviously, T-Mobile SIM card ejector. So nothing special there. Your terms and conditions for T-Mobile, limited warranty, blah, 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 blah. So you got some new stickers here. So, you know, those are kind of fun. I always like putting them on my laptop or random things. So got some stickers. And then the welcome start guide from T-Mobile. But as you can see, there is no case inside of this. So that is one knock that I do have with the new OnePlus 8 T-Mobile version, is you don't get a dedicated clear case like they've done on the OnePlus 6T, the OnePlus 7 Pro, the OnePlus 7T. There's no case in the box. And that is something that I have been seeing, but I was kind of hoping that maybe with the true launch that it actually would come with a case, but it didn't. So whatever. I'm going to just kind of set the phone to the side right there. I'm not going to take it out yet. So you got your dedicated charging cable, the standard kind of beautiful red cable with the white endings there. So it's a USB type A to type C. But I do absolutely I've always loved OnePlus's charging cables. And then of course you get your Warp Charger 30T charging brick here. So got that standard. And then of course, obviously there's nothing underneath there. So without further ado, let's take this bad boy out of the case, or the wrapping there. So here is the OnePlus 8 5G T-Mobile phone. Now I got the flash on, so I'm gonna turn the flash off so you don't get that glare. There it is. So I did go ahead and just go with the black. I think it's called Onyx black, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see if they even say it on the box. I don't know if it does or doesn't. It just says black, but I swore I saw it said Onyx black somewhere, but I could be completely wrong on that. But yeah, there's the, let me take that sticker off. So I got the black version. They did have Interstellar Glow there, but I want to just go with the basic black, because in my opinion, I do love the look of the Interstellar Glow, but I feel like I'll get very bored of it very quick. And then I'm going to slap like a D-brand skin, or like a Soapy Guard skin or something on it. Or my real plan is to put a OnePlus carbon bumper on it anyways. And so even with the bumpers or with normal cases, it'll go down just below the flashlight there, and then you can see the color. And maybe it's just my OCD, but if I have a black case and then I see that shiny interstellar color showing through, it just bugs me. And so either way, so I went with black. But you got your triple camera setup there. On the right side, as usual with T-Mobile, you do have the, try to get it zoom, the alert slider there. Sorry about that. So alert sliders, so you can do vibrate, ring, or silent, and then your power button there. And then on the left side, you just got your volume rocker. On the top, you got your microphone. And then on the bottom, you got your USB Type-C charging port there, and then your volume or speakers there at the bottom, the bottom speaker there. Got tongue-tied for some reason. And then, of course, your SD. Gosh, I can't zoom in or get a good focus for some reason. Sorry. There we go. And then your SD slot there. So yeah. So as far as my initial kind of feeling it feels very similar to the 7T. I know it's 10 grams lighter, but in the hand, is what it is. As you can see there, you got the camera punch out that you can see right there. And one thing that I did notice that's a little different versus the 7T is the speaker grill on top is smaller. With the 7T, it was like this whole thing here, and versus this smaller thing, which I'm actually excited about, because on a 7T, if any of y'all have ever used it, you have to kind of move it when you're talking just right to get full volume in your ear. But if you just move it just a little bit, you do lose a little bit of the volume on a phone call. So, either way. But yeah, so there it is, OnePlus 8 T-Mobile version. I will do a review of the phone itself, like I said, in a few days, so keep posted for that. But yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe. I'm trying to do as many videos as I can. I have plenty on here right now of some different, affordable headphones, things like that. But definitely wanting to do some more reviews of some phones. I think actually you can see that I'm filming it on a OnePlus 7T, actually, the one I'm about to give back. So, but yeah, there you go, OnePlus 8 5G T-Mobile version. So any comments or questions, feel free to ask away, and appreciate it. Take care.